How's it going again today? So today we're going to be looking at BTC USD analysis again for today, 23 August 2022. Last week we did the analysis of this trade and we're in for the sales. And right now, last week we were looking at this range. We were looking at this very range and this very channel. This channel. We're looking at that channel as of last week, and we said we hope to get the price down to the edge of the channel again, and we entered for a sell from as you can see, from this spot to this spot. So our arrow was pointing to this particular channel end, and we got that. And not surprisingly, the price broke the channel down, even though we were not in that sell. But yes, we were expecting the channel to be broken to this particular edge. This is on the 4 hours time frame. But as it is, we can't really tell what is going on. We know we have a sell, a range. We have a massive range over here. We have a massive we have a massive range over here, and we have a drop. Then we have the channel coming in. Then we have a drop right now also. The drop also didn't just come in, the drop came down with volume. That means the sellers are still very much active on this BTC USD price. So on the daily, we have almost the same analysis as the 4 hours candle to tell you the sellers are really in business. We have a drop with volume. We have the range, or should I call it a channel, because it's a little bit tilted to the upside. Then now we've broken the particular channel, and we have like another range ranging for 4 days right now. I will be looking at this pair again also for a sell, at least minimum to this particular drop zone of 18,000 USD against the BTC. So I expect the price to give me a little bit of a retest and a drop. We might be having the drop to 18,000, or we might have the drop even further, because these sells are very, very active. For the meantime, we should get another volatility, or another movement, or another length of movement that will be close to this particular strength. So for now, I'm looking to get into the BTC sales at least minimum to this very, very level. And that is on the 1 week. We can tell that the sellers are still very much active. You can see the drop. We can tell on the 1 week the drop. We have the drop here. We have a range. We have another drop, and now we are having a range. The buyers cannot even do anything. As of last week, the channel that was going up here even broke, closed. So definitely the price is coming down to 18,000 USD minimum. And judging by previous analysis on the 1 week, we don't really have much level until this particular level, which is 13,000, 11,000, 13,000, 12,000 thereabout. So the price, if the price comes down to this, depending on how the price comes down to this price, if it comes down with volume and momentum, we're definitely going back to 12,000 USD price. But it depends on how we touch the 18,000 USD price. But I'm sure we should be getting to 18,000 USD price. And again, the USD is very strong at the moment. The US dollar is very strong at the moment. And dividing currency for the BTC is the US dollar. So I see no reason why we should be against the sales on this particular pair. So I'll be watching closely. I will be joining the sales also if I get a good retest back to this like 23,000 price for a sell. And we might not even have that price, but if we don't get that price, I'm sorry, I won't be getting into the sales. I'll allow the sales do whatever it can do until I have another level, another open field to play with. But for now, we are still in the sales for BTC USD. And if we have any further updates, I will be sure to get back to you guys aside. For now, BTC USD price heading towards 18,000 USD or below. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Have a good day ahead. Cheers.